Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Doom the Dark Ages Revelations compatibility warning. So here's what you gotta do. You wanna go to search, type in device manager. Once you're in here, you wanna look for display adapters and you wanna copy this, whatever it says here. For me, it's 3090, so you wanna copy that. And now you wanna open a new Chrome tab and type in whatever it says for you there. So 3090 for me, and type in driver, and you wanna click the first link. Accept this. Now go to search products and type in 3090 again, and you want to select which Windows version you're using. So for me, it's a Windows 11. Scroll down and you simply click find, and now there will be two versions of drivers, the studio and the game ready. You want to download the game ready driver. You want to click view. Now you can download it through here, or simply download the NVIDIA app, and you can then install it through the NVIDIA app, or just simply downloading it from here, it will work too. I'll show you now through the NVIDIA app. So close this out, open the NVIDIA app, go to drivers. Now simply click here download, it will then download, and then you click install the driver. Also, while you're in here and that happens, you want to go to system and disable the G-Sync if you have it on. So you switch it to off and go to settings and disable the NVIDIA overlay if you have it on. And once you install the driver, you want to restart your PC. But also you can do before you restart is go to settings. Once in settings, go to Windows Update and make sure that you install the latest. You want to click here, download and install it. It will install the latest Windows Update, and that should fix your issue. And that's it for this video. That's how you fix Doom the Dark Ages Revelations compatibility warning. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.